How to use the strategy tester in TradingView. Now, if you want to have strategy tester in TradingView but don't know how, just watch this video till the end. It's very easy. First of all, just simply open your chart or TradingView, and then you need to select indicators at first, and then just simply search for strategy in this search bar right here. And after that, there will be a lot of technical strategy. Just simply select any of the strategy that you would like to use. And for example, let's select this RSI strategy, which is the first one, and it will be added to your chart. Now, after adding this strategy, your strategy tester will automatically be added, which is below this key stats. Everything below that is the strategy tester. It will show of the total PNL, max drawdown, profit rates, profit factor, and performances, and everything. You can have all of the data and ideas of the strategy in very full detail. So this is how you can add and check strategy tester in TradingView. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.